Hi friends, welcome to my Gemstone Deal channel. As you know, we are explaining and guiding you about the gemstone, and we are giving all the information about the gemstone, like hardness, like identification, like real or fake stone, and how you can guess the prices of the stone, how you can put the prices of the stone, because it is not a simple business, it is very complicated business. If you know everything about all the stones, you can go ahead and do a business. If you don't know about anything about the gemstone, I recommend you that you do not start this business, and do not get indulged in this business. So in this video I will explain you about the wearing of the stone. Somewhere very superstitious talking that somebody should wear, somebody should not wear. That is having the side effect, that is having not a good for health, not the spirituality, and somewhere is good for the health and somewhere good for the spirituality. So these are many things and many talking about the stones in the market, in everywhere in the world, and that is controversial. In my opinion, there is no problem, you can wear any kind of stone, because the stones have all the chemical composition just like human being. Not all, but very resemblance in the stone like a human being. So you can wear without any problem. The problem is here only the people don't know about it. That is the main thing. Some stones to some persons not suitable. If not suitable, maybe they do not give you any kind of benefit which you want to get it. So if you have a suitable stone, and then you can get benefits from that. And in my opinion, if you advised by the astrologer or any spiritual personalities, then you can maybe get good benefits and within the no time, because he knows little bit better than us that the health of your body and your nature of your body, and medical problems and spiritual problems, and he will explain you, he will advise you the stone exactly accurately which you have to wear, so you can be benefited more than if you wear by yourself. So this stone is also having some very good and brilliant benefits that I will tell you about that. If you have found these problems, these medical problems or spiritual problems in your inside, then you can wear and you can get benefited. For example, that stone is very important about the negativity of a person who think always negative, and all the negativity which is already inside that person and cannot eradicate. This stone can help to eradicate all the negativity and produce the positivity in your mind. With the positivity of the mind, you can find out any kind of solution of your problem. So it can help in this problem, and the people who confused every time to get and to make big decisions, and they confuse every time, they do not do it and hesitate always. After that, somebody stressed, somebody depressed in their daily routine matters, it helps you to get out from the depression and the restlessness of the body, and it will encourage you about your decisions and maintain your body to face everything, and so glorious, so genius, so good personality, and give you the good ideas, good thinkings, and always you will be fresh if you wear this stone. So these are all some benefits of the stone. If you find out these problems inside you, and you can wear this stone and you can find out the solution of these problems. Thanks a lot of keep my videos watching, and subscribe to my channel, share and like my videos. Thank you very much.